Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 27 May 2018, 07 of hour, 03 of minute and 36 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is vape allowed in airplane? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about is vape allowed in airplane. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about is vape allowed in airplane. Electronic cigarettes, vaping devices. These devices are battery-powered and have a heating element that vaporizes liquid that may or may not contain nicotine. These devices are prohibited in checked baggage and may only be carried in the aircraft cabin, in carry-on baggage, or on your person. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.